What is the law of attraction and how can you use it for your business? To fully understand how you can use the law of attraction for your business, you have to understand what it is. So let's define it. The law of attraction states that what your mental thoughts are, what you're thinking, directly manifests into the physical reality. Now, whether this is true or not, we'll get into this later. It also states that if you're constantly putting in negative thoughts, you're going to attract negative things to come in your real world. And the opposite is true as well. If you're constantly thinking of positive things, then positive things are what you're attracting. Okay, so how can you use this for your business? Now, just saying my business is going to be successful is not going to give you success for your business, because that's not how this works. To fully get the benefits of law of attraction, you have to help it motivate you to get more results. Okay, so let's talk about the law of attraction. Is it true or not? And long story short, the simple answer is it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if the law of attraction is true or not. But what I can say is the business owners, the big rich people who are using these methods, they reap the rewards and they swear by the law of attraction. The law of attraction is imagined in a few ways. People think maybe it is a spiritual thing. People think maybe it is a mental thing. But really the truth is, it puts your mental thoughts in the right place to motivate you to get the results. So if you're using the law of attraction for your business, you want to say things like, I'm going to achieve this by then. I'm so happy that I'm going to achieve this by then. I'm so happy that my business is going to do $1 million next year. Whether it's true or not, it doesn't matter. Because if you're believing that you could do that, it's going to motivate you to put the results in and put the work in to get the results out of that work. So if you're constantly thinking, my business is going to do this, we're going to do this, I'm going to get this results by this date, and I'm so happy about it. And you say that enough until you actually believe it, the results will come to you, because if you believe it, then you are willing to put in the work to get those results because you believe it. Now, an example of this would be if you have a tech company and the law of attraction, you're going to say, I'm so glad that we have 1,000 clients signed to us. I'm so glad that we made this much money this year. Now, the more you say it, the more you're going to believe it. Now, the more you believe it, you're willing to put in the work, and then the rest falls into place. Because if you're putting in the work to get there, it doesn't matter, because the reason people fail with business is because they're always thinking, what if I fail? Now, if you remove those thoughts, then you're willing to put in the work, put in the extra effort that other people aren't willing to do to reap the rewards. This can be applied to other aspects of life as well. It's not only the law of attraction. If you're trying to get the girl of your dreams, you see her walking down the street, you know you can get her, but you have to manifest it in your mind first so you could believe that you can actually do it. And the fear of rejection manifests into rejection. What you're always thinking somehow turns into a physical reality, not because it's spiritual and all that, it's because your thoughts dictate your actions. An example of this is also car crashes. If you're every time you get on the road, get in your car, you're scared of a car crash, you're gonna get into a car crash. And that's just how it works. It's nothing spiritual. It's just your mind, what you think of, and what you're constantly worrying about is gonna happen. So remove that. So the girl of your dreams, you have to believe that you could do it. Get rid of the fear of rejection, which allows you to come in, put in the work, constantly not annoy her, but Grant Cardone with his wife, every month for 13 months, he called her twice. It's because he believed he can get her. He knew he could get her. He knew this was meant for him. He wasn't scared of rejection. He didn't care. All right, so this is how you can apply the law of attraction to your life, your business, anything you want. Hopefully this motivates you. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, please like, turn on bell notifications, share this on your social platforms, leave a comment, all of that. Thank you so much for watching.